Hello everybody, and this is my second Theme Park Tycoon 2 video. Yes, my second Theme Park Tycoon 2 video. My second Roblox video. And yes, this is Evergreen Point, and like you saw in the title, yes, I'm doing a money farm tutorial. Well, kind of a showing of it, so you can copy off of it. It's a lot easier. When the tutorials, you have to speed all the way through and then take a screenshot. But then with this, you can just take a screenshot and then you can just look at it and boom. So yeah, this is my theme park. I mean, my money farm. It's just basically a bunch of paths with steel coasters, each price $25. People are willing to pay, and a money machine just goes up and it comes back. So yeah, they don't need a longer queue path. So yeah, awesome. Because only a few people get on them at once, and then you make sure you need to set the train length to 1. So come over here, and yeah, so this is good. It's just a bunch of stalls, benches. Make sure there. Did somebody just? Okay, huh? Somebody left it, but whatever. Alana. Okay, well, make sure you put benches and garbage cans all over the place. Yes, it is loaded with them. Take a screenshot right here, so then you can copy off of it. And there's restrooms on the other side of the row. Or, yeah. So, boom. Money farm. Easy. Short video. Hope you're having a great day, guys. I think I'm going to end my video today on the roof of one of my things. Pizza. Okay, good sight for the rest of the day. So, hope you have a great day, guys. Please like and subscribe. It really helps me out. Yeah. Like and subscribe. Really helps me out. Awesome. Thanks. So, yep. See you guys, and peace out.